With the small controller CX7000 and the scalable safety solution TwinSAFE, it is possible to realize safety applications. I used the manual to create an emergency stop button for safety applications, instead of the EL1004 digital input terminal, which is used in the manual and serves as an EDM feedback signal, and for resetting I use the onboard IOs of the CX7000 and the EL6090 display terminal. The display terminal would also not be necessary and could also be replaced by the onboard IOs, but a display for the output is nicer for the test setup. As you can see, in my application a fan is turning, representing a machine in motion. As soon as I press the emergency button, the fan switches off immediately. Pulling the emergency button is not enough to restart the fan. Only the pulling and resetting the safety function via a digital input, such as the enter button of the display terminal, does the fan continue to turn.